Welcome back to today's class. Welcome back to another live session here on my channel. I'm Alan already, you know that, and today we are diving into one of my favorite candlestick formation, okay? The Morning Star Pattern, okay? So just stay with me guys, so that you will learn more about this pattern. Remember, it's one of my favorite candlestick pattern, okay? Very easy and simple to understand, okay? So just stay with me. So now this pattern helps us spot bullish reversal before the crowd does, okay? And we will learn how to apply it in KuCoin Futures trading step by step. So before we begin, make sure you hit the like button to support the channel, subscribe if you haven't done that yet, and check the links in the description section, okay? The first one to sign up KuCoin Futures, and the other one is for joining the streamer community airdrop campaign, where you can earn reward while doing what? Learning. So let's get started, fam. Drop a tick button if you are turn live. All right, if you are turn live, drop a tick button to indicate that you are active, okay? I don't want it to be an interactive class, so just stay with me. We are gonna learn, okay? It's not gonna take much time, not take much of your time. Just stay with me while we flow together, okay? There's no big deal behind this. Okay? So just stay with me. Give me a minute. Soon be live back. Just give me a minute. Still waiting. Still waiting. Hello guys. I'm waiting for you. In less than a minute, I'm gonna go live, okay? So just stay with me. Let's excel together. Let me check. All right, paper is there, Saturix is there. That's good. Okay guys, so before we dive into the meaning of before we use this strategy, okay, and I would love to recap of our previous class, telling you things about what we did last time, so that you fresh our memory for the next one we are gonna learn, okay? So before I talk about the Morning Star, let's quickly recap what we covered in our previous session. Last time we discussed the gravestone doji pattern, a strong bearish reversal signal that forms at the top of what? Up top of the uptrend, okay? We have market structure, we have the uptrend, we have the ranging market, and we also have the downtrend. So ranging market is also known as the sideways market, where the market is being traded in an area of consolidation, okay? So that is just it, fams. We are going to make things up. So in that previous class, we covered how to spot the grave doji candlestick pattern, when to confirm it, how to place your entry, stop loss, and take profit on KuCoin Futures. All right, so if you haven't clicked on the link in my description section, I'm gonna drop right now in the comment section, so you can tap those links and sign up in KuCoin Futures. But if you have done that, you are good to go. If you haven't, get ready and sign up so that we can get started and be on the same page together. Okay, let me drop it for you guys. Just stay with me. This is the link. James Asterix. All right, let me drop the link for you. That's the link. I think I've dropped it for you guys. Okay, so that is the link. That's the link. I think the other one is that's the campaign. The first one is on to sign up, the second one is the campaign one. So guys, without wasting much of our time, now let's get started. Okay, so we cover how to spot it, when to confirm it, how to place your entry, stop loss, and take profit on KuCoin Futures. Okay, we also talk about the importance of the confirmation candles and how to use volume and support or resistance zones to avoid false signal, because in Gravestone Doji, it's not everywhere you see it you say, oh, my entry is confirmed. No, sir. If you see a Gravestone Doji in the middle of a trend, no, sir, I won't advise you to take a short position right there, because the market is still in an uptrend. So if you see the Gravestone Doji candlestick at the top or very close to the resistance, okay, it is advisable for you to, take your one short confirmation that it's gonna go down. Okay, but if it shows it at the resistance level and there's no bearish engulfing candle that is being formed, that will give you a sure confirmation that the sellers are already about to take charge of the market. So that the sellers are already about to take charge of the market. So it will be advisable if you do what? If you wait for that bearish engulfing candle to take place before you do anything else. Okay, so guys, let's get started with the, and if you also miss that class, I will advise you to go back and watch. I think it's uploaded right now, the replay part of it, so that we can flow together. Okay, so guys, let's get into today's main lesson: how to trade what? Futures using the Morning Star pattern effectively. Morning Star pattern effectively from the word Morning Star. You see how it's it already that the pattern is going to be nice. So all right, now introduction to Morning Star pattern. Now let's break down the Morning Star pattern, so that if someone have not heard it before, because I believe there are some people that haven't. So Morning Star is a 3-candle bullish reversal pattern that forms after a downtrend. All right, is a 3-candle bullish reversal pattern that forms after a downtrend. Remember, the downtrend is also part of the market structure, in which the market is moving what? Downward direction. So the structure of the Morning Star candlestick pattern, the structure of the Morning Star candlestick pattern is the first candle is a large bearish candle showing what? Strong selling momentum. Oh, you see, you are shaking your head. The market is still going bearish. Wait a minute. Something is about to take place. Okay, something is what? About to take place. Let me log in my KuCoin first. Something is about to take place. Okay, now the second candle is a small body candle. It can be a candle in the form of indecision. You don't know where the market is going. Is it going to go up or is it going to continue going down? indecision market. And which kind of candle is that? What? That is a doji candle. That is a doji candle that is about to take place. Indecision candlestick. Okay. Now the third candle, because I think it's in form of three candles. The first one is what? The large bearish candle. The second one is what? It's a small body candle. It can be a doji or whatever I call a spanning top, which represent what? Indecision method, indecision candle. Sorry. So now the third candle there is what? A strong bullish candle closing above the what? The midpoint of the first candle is going to close above the midpoint of what? The close candle. Once you close the midpoint of that first candle, brother, enter a long position from there. You're gonna eat big money if you confirm with the other tools and strategy for you to enter that trade. All right. Now, let me explain what each of these candle mean. Now, the first candle, which is gonna be a large bearish candle, is going to show what? Is going to show what? Sellers to buyers. Indicate a shift from what? Sellers to buyers. Okay. Indicate a shift from sellers to buyers. Works best when formed at what? Major support zone. The third one, stronger when confirmed by volume increase or trend line break. Okay. What you mean there is that the trend line break is that this last candlestick, which is what? The strong bullish candlestick, have to execute two processes. Okay. The first one is going to what? Trend line break. You remember it was in a downtrend. And if the market is continuing to be in downtrend and there is no break, it means the market probably on 80% that the market is going to continue to be going down. But when there's a formation of that small middle candle that shows the market is in indecision state, and there's the large bearish candle that breaks that, first of all, breaks the trend line, and first of all, what? Covers the closing of the first candle. That means what? The market is set to spin higher and higher. Okay. The market tends to spin higher and higher. Okay. So the first one indicates a shift from the sellers to buyers. The second one works best when formed at major support zone, and the third one is stronger when they form and when confirmed by volume increase, a trend line break. All right. So let me first of all go to the candlestick Bible so that you understand it, each and every aspect of it. Okay. So just stay with me. Stay with me. Just stay with me, fams. What's wrong? Continuing up. All right. Just stay with me. All right. Yep. This is it. This is it. Now the Morning Star, have you seen it? The bearish candle. The Morning Star pattern is considered as a bullish reversal pattern. It often occurs at the bottom of a downtrend, and it consists of three candlesticks. Remember, I explained this already. The first candlestick is bearish, which indicates that sellers are still in charge of the what? Of the market. Sellers are still in charge of what? Of the market. Sellers are still in charge of the market. The second candle is a small one, which represents that sellers are in control, but they don't push the market much lower. And this candlestick can be bullish or bearish. Have you seen it? Point of indecision. Now the third candlestick is bullish candlestick that gap up on the open and close above the midpoint of the body of the first day. You remember, this candlestick holds a significant trend reversal. Once you see that bullish, know that there's a significant what? Trend reversal. There's a significant what? Trend reversal. So there's a significant trend reversal signal. The Morning Star pattern shows how buyers took control of the market from seller when this pattern occurs at the bottom of a downtrend. Okay, downtrend here, support level it represents. Now look at it. Have you seen it? The market was in a massive downtrend, and near a support level there was a 3 candlestick form. You see, bullish candle. Have you seen it? The market spin up. All right, the market spin up. So now that I've explained this to you guys, can we now go to the technical aspect of it? Okay, let's go to the technical aspect of it. So now I've dropped the link in my description, in my bio, and also my description aspect of it in the comment section. So make sure you are endeavored to click on that link, because we're going to use KuCoin exchange to explain this. Okay, you tap on the KuCoin. Okay, wait for it to load. Okay, let me sign up. Let me log in, sorry. So complete the first. Once you sign up and log in and you complete your KYC, remember to complete your KYC, because there are amazing opportunities once you complete your KYC. Okay, you move to futures. We are trying to first of all spot out a downtrend. After spotting out a downtrend, we look for a very suitable support level. After looking for a suitable support level, we now move to where? We now look for how to identify those 3 candles. So when we see those 3 candles, we can now set up our position. All right. Let's keep going with the chart. Charts. All right. Let's use 1 hour time frame. Let's keep waiting. Let's keep searching. No clue. Okay. Wait for me, I'm looking for a one at the support level. All right. Searching for it, so stay with me. All right. 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 I'm coming. I'm looking for a. Let me search. Let me search for another one. Let me look for another token, okay? So that I really explain this to you guys. Let's check ETH stroke USDT perpetual. Okay? Let's search ETH per USDT perpetual. Alright? This is it. This is it. This is it. This is it. So this is it. All right. Yep. That would have been a nice one. Let me check ETH. If I see Morning Star to explain to you guys. First of all, it must be in a downtrend. Okay. Alright. Okay. I get it. I got it. This is it. This is it first. Though it's not really sure, but let me just want to explain in case I don't. Now check this candle in 60-minute time frame. Have you seen it? This was the price dump from 2,879. This was the market dump to 2,111. Now in the formation of this candle, now if you should take a look at it, you see the first one, the first candle that came up here, kind of doji. Okay, from there it moves to the doji candlestick. This is a, how do you used to call it? It's a dragonfly doji. Okay, it's also a sign that the market is going to pump up. Two patterns. You see, combining two patterns now can give you a strong entry. So from here also, it changes to what? The sellers were in control of the market. All right, from 2,879 per 1 ETH, the sellers were in control of the market, dipping, selling till they reach a position, this support level. Okay, once you reach the support level, it shows that it gives an indecision candlestick, which we don't know if the market is going to continue to be bearish or it's going to go to bullish. But you see, if you were to draw your trend line here, okay, if you were to draw your trend line, you see, you don't force trend line. You don't force trend line. So guys, you don't force trend line. You don't force trend line. So that is it. First of all, it broke this trend line. After breaking this trend line, we already saw a green bullish engulfing candle. Okay, that engulfed the first candle. If you remember what we said in our theoretical aspect of this live session, okay, the first candle must be bearish, okay, indicating that the buy sellers are still in control of the market. The second candle there must be what? Must be an indecision candlestick, a doji candlestick that shows that we don't know the where the market is going, or if the market is trending upward or downward. Okay, but I just discovered in this same example we are using that there's a dragonfly doji candlestick that shows what? A bullish reversal. Okay, now means we have another confirmation entry. Now combine it with the morning star, which shows that there's also this green bullish engulfing candle, which is the last candlestick, shows that there is a what? There is a high possibility that the buyers are taking charge of the market. The buyers are taking charge of the market. So now in this big bullish engulfing candle that is being formed, you see what happened? Just look. The market spiked from 2,111 per 1 ETH to where? All the way up to where? 3,000, and the market spike up to 3,941. That means if someone would have hold this trade, okay, hold this trade from when was that? Hold this trade on 23rd June. He would have had patience and hold this market to win. All this market to win. I'm trying to know the date. To 28th July. Just a couple of months, just 1 month, it would have made a massive. You know how many percentage is that? From 2,100 to 3,000, that is almost $4,000 per 1 ETH. You would have made massive profit. Okay, you would have made massive profit from this. Okay, so that's just it for now. Let's check at Solana chart to see if you're going to indicate another Morning Star candlestick pattern. Okay, just stay with me. Let's go back. Stay with me. Just stay with me, guys. Okay. Just stay with me. Let's check Solana. Let's check like Solana. What was wrong? Let's check Solana. Wap. This is a massive sell. Solana is currently at $176. Right time. It's right time for you to buy. It's getting down. Okay. Now, this is a very nice example, guys. Listen, under 60-minute time frame. On when? 26 September, 12 o'clock. So let's go and check it on that one time. Anytime from 26 September. 26 September. Let's hold that. Isn't it? That's 30. I think. Okay. Now check Solana. See, just see what just happened. Just take a look at Solana. Okay. First of all, you wanna check if the market is what? You check the market structure. We check the market structure. We check the market structure first. You see, the market is going downward. Once it touches 2 points, that is when you can say that your market is, that your trend line is accurate. Once it's touching 2 spots, have you seen? You don't force trend line, just leave it the way it is. So that is it. So that's it. And what you do next now is you search for the 3 candles at the bottom of a what support zone. And yeah, I got it. Just draw it. Have you seen it? I want to explain something to you. This is a real Morning Star Candlestick Pattern, okay? I'm going to do that with. Have you seen it? That's it. So now, let me expand this so that you guys, all right. So after indicating the trend line, let me expand it so that you can see it very well. Have you seen it? So this is a support zone. This is a support zone. Let me draw my support zone for you. So that you can see what I'm doing. This is my support zone. 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 All right, now the 3 candle I'm talking about is this one. This is the main Morning Star candle. This is very nice. It occurs in a downtrend. That one is correct. Now, after occurring the downtrend, the next one is it occurs as a support level. Okay. Now the third one is the bullish. The first candle here engulf the second one. That small middle one, which is the point of indecision, where the uptrend and the closing price and the opening price are the same. The closing price and the opening price are the same. That is, the market is in a stage of indecision. The market is in stage of indecision. All right. Now the last candle that formed, which is that green bullish candle, engulf the first candlestick. It closes it before spinning up. Now, just take a look at what happened. That was, the market was our check. See where the market was trading at. See the way the market was. The market was trading at that time, after it closes 198. I won't advise you to buy at this level because it is not confirmed. But immediately it crosses the bullish engulfing candle. See what happened. Assuming you enter your market from here, let's say this is my entry. All right. This is my entry. My entry is the green line. That is my entry. Now, my stop loss, I'm going to take my stop loss down below it here. That's my stop loss. Now, my take profit. Okay. I'll put my take profit 1 here. No, that is not it. Delete it. My take profit, I'm going to push it here. Once you reach here, that is my take profit. Okay. Now, this boundary of gain, have you seen it? This is massive profit. This profit here, this is where I'll make this is my profit. Have you seen it? From the price spike from 199.182 peso to 235. That is massive profit under how many days that would have made this huge profit. So you see that the candlestick, the Morning Star candlestick pattern is very, it's self-explanatory. Okay, and it's interesting. Okay, it's one of my favorite candle because it doesn't stress me, just to identify those two patterns and I'm free to go. Okay, just identify those three patterns, I'm free to go. That's just it. So it's not something that you should crack your brain, oh, it's gonna be difficult. No sir, it's not going to be difficult. Just follow my simple strategy and you'll be able to trade on KuCoin with free of charge, and you understand it very well. Don't forget, it's an ongoing campaign. All right, I'll drop it in the comment section or in my description channel. You can check it out and you know, do what you can. That's all. Okay, very, very simple and easy to understand. So I think you can also do yourself a favor by going through other charts. You have billions of and thousands of coins in a coin market cap, or you can come here to your coin, through your KuCoin Futures, search various, just search various coins, search various, you and try out, test your own chart, test if you can do this on your own, not learning from online and you can't practice it on the KuCoin, because when you're about to take profit, I won't be there with you. Okay, it is only you and your chart. So this will help you continue to learn more and more, and keep learning more, and you earn more profit. Okay, this is a digital skill that is now in the 21st century. So I don't think you should be just say, it's stressful, people lose money. No sir, once you begin to fear, you won't be able to pick more profit. So imagine, green, that's my take profit, that's my zone. And if you should observe, this is my stop loss. You see the blue, that blue candle is my stop loss, while the green is the gap in which I'm going to take my profit. Okay, so that's just it. But make sure you understand the uptrend direction that the market is going in the downtrend. Once the market is going in the downtrend direction, also search if it is in support zone. Search if it is in support zone. Search also if it is in a support zone. Okay, I'm coming. I'm trying to all right. Have you seen? This is a support, this is a strong. This is a strong support zone. Okay, the one with blue line is a support zone. So when you identify that it is in a support zone and the market is trending downward, and you draw your trend line, and once you draw your trend line, this bullish engulfing candle here breaks that trend line, knows that there is a bullish reversal that is about to take place, and the market is going to spin upward. Okay, the market is going to spin upward, higher and higher. Okay, so that is just it. The market is going to spin upward. So you make sure that all these conditions are met before you do what? You enter any trade. Okay, make sure that all these conditions are made before you enter any trade. So that's just it. That's a good thing about this. That's a good thing about this trade. The good thing about this Morning Star trading pattern, and I really love it. You see the market spin from 1,190 to way 235. That is a massive profit. That is a massive profit, guys. So don't sleep on this. It's a massive profit. The chart is, this is a very nice example. It's a very nice example. So remember, you follow the step-by-step strategy, identify a clear downtrend, spot the morning star pattern near a support level, wait for the 10 candle to close bullishly, enter a long buy position above the close of the 10 candle. Now set your take profit near the next resistance or at 1:1 or 1:3 risk to reward ratio. Risk to reward ratio 1:1 or 1:3. Okay, you can enter. I told you, if you have entered this market at $175, stop loss is what? Stop loss is $140 something. Take profit is what? Take profit is $235. That is massive profit, okay? Massive profit. So that is it. And let me also kindly briefly explain this to you guys. The common mistakes and risk management that people make when trading this, using this, when trading this morning star is that you trading before confirmation, entering too early. Entry is too early. You might likely fail. Ignoring the broader trend context, not using stop loss while trading, and over leveraging your account. That is, you go and set your stop loss too. You set your stop loss too. That is, now that the economy is at 195, you set it to 93. That's your stop loss. And you set your take profit to be 195. You set your take profit to be 200. You see, you are over leveraging your account. Now, tips for success: you combine the pattern plus support plus moving average indicator. You also have MACD. You also have RSI for a stronger signal. Wait, don't rush into it. You wait for the candle closure. Don't jump into the mid candle, because now you see the bullish candle. The market is gonna, there's a bullish reversal. You might lose money, because if your portfolio does not cover that risk, you might lose money. So you wait for the candle to close before you enter, and always stick to your risk and reward ratio pattern. Don't say that, for example, now A is trading at 1:5. Your own was 1:3. You change it to 1:5. A might have taken his profit and leave the chart, while you are still in the market and you lose. So that's just it. If you have any question, I don't want to keep you guys long for a long time. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section, or you can keep it to when we come for our next live tutorial class. We answer it together. Okay, so thank you for your time. Thank you for listening to me. Spending your time is so precious to me, and I really appreciate it. Okay, thank you very much. Bye. Bye guys.